right, so let's talk about the current situation with Bitcoin. It's Wednesday, around midday, or pretty close to it. For the past couple of days, we've been experiencing a bit of a dip, a downward trend, and we're looking at a 1-hour chart here. Today, what I'm going to do is analyze Bitcoin, and then I'm going to tell you, at least from my perspective, what I anticipate might happen going forward. And as you can readily see right here, this is the Crypto-Quebec indicator. Just take a look at how absolutely incredible, how sick this new indicator, version 2.0, really is. Just observe it closely here. Pay attention to this section right here. We came down, we managed to come back up towards the top, and precisely at this point, we experienced a dump, a significant sell-off. See this wick right here? That's a clear signal from the indicator. It's printed out even more information for us. This particular tool, it doesn't just move randomly. It's me, actually, who programmed this thing, so I can assure you it doesn't just move without reason. It's built on solid principles. It's not just some random fluctuating thing. You can see up here, this indicates the absolute top, and precisely here, this level corresponds to the 262 Fibonacci ratio. And over here, you can see this is the middle band of the channel. What we really need is a strong upward vector, a powerful push to break through this resistance. We came down, we reached this exact point, and now here we are at this current position. Obviously, as long as the price is trending downwards, it's generally not advisable to buy in. Or at the very least, you need to be very cautious and observe the chart very carefully. This line right here represents another support level, and this one signifies yet another support level. You might be wondering why these specific points are significant, right? Well, the indicator is essentially telling us that it's consolidating. It's giving us a heads up. Notice how the blue line, representing the indicator's trend, continues its upward trajectory. It's going to reach this point eventually, and at that...
It appears as though it's trying to pivot, attempting to turn around, and you can see this clearly on the daily chart. On the daily. At this moment, the indicator is functioning exceptionally well. Just look at this particular section here. We approached this level, formed a wick, and were unable to decisively break through it. We got pushed back down. We attempted again, we were still unable to break through. We were pushed back down again. We're now approaching the middle band of the indicator, or if you prefer, this level here, the super support. And now we are seeing a potential upward movement forming.